Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make sweet potato sesame balls. It's another popular school lunch menu, which I had it at the school lunch tasting event. Crispy outside, slightly chewy inside. It's very easy to make. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. You can buy or bake sweet potatoes. If you live in Japan, you know you can buy baked sweet potatoes. Peel and put them in a bowl. Mix shiratamako and water together until smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and the shiratamako mixture. Then knead with your hand until smooth. Roll into small balls. Coat with white sesame seeds. Deep fry until golden brown. And now it's done! Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. As you can see, it's very simple. You just mix and deep fry. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more school lunch recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
サクッとしてもっちっとしてなんかパイパイしてるね。ご
言って
まがたくさんかかってて、パリッとしてる。
中が黄色くて外が茶色くて
いいよいいよ、続け
何の
て。
食べるのかわかりません。
100万人お願いしま